Hello, people. This is Karen Miller, and if you're on this page, if you're on this website, you are now entered in the world of my live web show. Okay, serious. On a more serious note, I want to thank you for coming to my live web show right now. This is just a pre-recorded video, and I wanted to do something with myself on it because I want people to see that it's me. It's just not my picture posted on here, and I'm not just posting up videos. I'm going to do something live that's myself because I want people to see that I'm branding me. I'm branding the product that I am trying to introduce to the world, this live video web show. You can have your own. If you got a business, a product, or a service, and you want to take it worldwide, you can do this. I can send this out to Facebook, Twitter. I can put my blogs on here. This is something, oh my God, this is going to take the business world to another level. Have you ever heard people say, this is a game changer, honey? This is a game changer right here. And it's just one of the products. What about a live video email? How about sending your people a live video email? Say you are a carpenter, and you're supposed to go out to someone's home and put in some carpet and you can't make it. Or you're going to offer them a special 3 rooms for, I don't know, $199. And you want to get it out to your customer base. You're going to send them a live video email. This is from Frank's Carpet and Upholstery. And they're going to see Frank speak. And Frank's going to offer them that deal right from that video. What do you think that's going to do to your business? It's a more personal approach. And they're going to say, Frank sent me a live video email. I'm going to send my friend Jerry to Frank because Jerry needs carpet as well. Just think about what that's going to do to your business. That's just the carpet business. What about, and that's live video email. What about having a video channel that's branding and promoting you and you only? And I know a lot of people out there use YouTube. Well, what about branding and promoting you? Using YouTube, you're branding and promoting everybody else. You see all them videos that's down the side of you. You see on your videos something going across there too. It's branding and promoting everybody else. This will promote and brand you and you only. Your own video channel. Honey, this would be like YouTube on steroids. Oh, they're not ready for this. You're about to take the business world by storm with all these products. What did I name? 1, 2, or 3? I don't know. But what about a broadcast? What about if you have, if you're a CEO and you're in the network marketing business and you want to train your people in the business? You can broadcast live and talk to everyone worldwide. Or what about you want to do meetings and you want to use a live video web meeting? That's another product. You hear me? This is going to take your business to another level. This is something you want to pay attention to and you want to watch out for it. My Video Talk is here now. If you want a piece of this pie, get in. Get in. Below me, you're going to see my website. Go on there. Check out the products. Also check out the opportunity. Because you can use the technology and make money. 2 for 1. You can use technology and make money. Did I say residual income? Yes, you can get that also from my video talk. Pay attention, hear my voice. I love being able to communicate with people with video. I love it. You get to see how I look, see how I feel, see me as a human being. Yes, I am a person. You know who you're dealing with when you see my video and you see my pictures. You hear me live. You call me on the phone and you hear the same voice. I'm not hiding behind the internet. I'm up close and personal, and I love that. And I hope that you can love that too. If this is something you want to do, join me with my video talk and let's make money together. If this is not something you want to do, that's fine. Come back and tune into my show because it's going to be very interesting. We're going to talk about relationships, fashion. Oh, I love fashion. We're going to talk about money. Ooh, honey, money. Did I say money? Oh, I got some plans that's going to put money in your hands for 2011. So we're going to talk about that too. I mean, it's not going to be gossip. Well, it's going to be a little bit of gossip because some things need to be talked about, right? Good gossip. We're going to love on some people. We ain't going to make it all trashy, and we're not going to make it that type of show. But it's going to be a nice show. It's going to be very interesting. I'm also going to have live guests come on. I'm going to invite them on the web show as well. I'm going to bring them in, let them speak. You can also join and text in and, have some things to say. Tell me, Karen, talk about this week. Well, Karen, what about this? Chat. We're going to do all that. Join me. Join me. If the product is not what you want, come back and join my video show. This is Karen Miller. This is my show, Hot Topics, and we're going to love on people and share with people and make money together. 2011 is here. Let's make it.